Acclaim in 2021, Sweet Tooth follows the adventures of Gus, Christian Convery, a human-deer hybrid boy who traverses a post-apocalyptic landscape in search of a new life. Based on the popular comic book of the same name by Jeff Lemire, Sweet Tooth blends elements of action, science fiction, and fantasy in a way that gives an alternative to the usual superhero comic book adaptations. Sweet Tooth Season 3 is one of the most anticipated next installments of Netflix shows. The first season was a huge success for the streamer, via Deadline, and it garnered overwhelmingly positive critical attention that praised the series for its family-friendly approach to its material without sacrificing any of the story's emotional power. The second season of Sweet Tooth was much darker, and ratcheted up the tension, with a finale that teased greater things to come in Sweet Tooth Season 3. Pervading throughout all of Sweet Tooth is the element of hopefulness, and as the show moves into a potential Season 3, that theme could once again be the central focus as the world's lore expands. Sweet Tooth is renewed for Season 3. Sweet Tooth see how successful a season is before it's renewed, but Netflix revealed that Sweet Tooth Season 2 and Season 3 were secretly shot back-to-back. This was likely to avoid continuity issues with the child actors getting older. The creator and showrunner Jim Mickle has confirmed Season 3 is Sweet Tooth's last, but that it's exactly as he imagined the series, via THR. Mickle explained, "In a lot of ways, it's exactly the story that I imagined we would tell, and in a lot of ways it takes on its own life." Netflix also revealed that the WGA writers' strike and SAG-AFTRA did not affect Season 3, as it has already been shot. Sweet Tooth Season 3 production status. As revealed by Netflix at the 2023 Toodum event in May, Sweet Tooth Season 3 is confirmed to have a 2024 release window. The streamer will likely confirm a more specific time frame within a few months of release. The prior season debuted in April, with all episodes hitting Netflix at once. It's possible the 8 episodes confirmed. Well, this is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.